In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a zoom in, zoom out effect on CapCut PC. If you want to smoothly draw your viewer's attention to one specific part of your screen and then transition back out to the full frame. This is a simple and effective technique to use. We'll be creating that motion with keyframes which let you control exactly when the zoom starts, where it holds, and when it returns to normal. To begin, look at your timeline and click once on your video clip so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to animate. Next, drag the vertical playhead to the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. Take a moment here and place it carefully because this frame will become the starting position for your animation. Now move to the top right Properties panel. Click on the Video tab, then go into Basic. In the Position and Size section, move to the far right side of that header row and click the small keyframe diamond icon once. When it turns blue, that means your starting frame has been locked in. This tells CapCut to preserve the current view before the zoom begins. Next, we'll create the zoom in motion. Go back down to the timeline and move the playhead forward by about 1 second. This spacing controls how fast the zoom happens, so 1 second usually gives you a smooth, natural movement. Then return to the Video Basic panel, find the Scale row, and drag the slider to the right until it reads 140%. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically creates another blue keyframe. In the preview window, you'll now see the image pushed in closer, giving you that zoomed-in focus. If you want to stay zoomed in while you explain something on screen, move the playhead forward a few more seconds. Then click the manual keyframe diamond again to lock that close-up view in place. This creates a pause so the zoom doesn't immediately start moving back out. To finish the effect, move the playhead forward another second. Go back to the Scale row, double-click the percentage box, type 100, and press Enter. That returns the clip to its original size, and CapCut automatically creates the final keyframe for a smooth zoom out back to the full layout. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you've created a clean zoom in and zoom out effect using keyframes in CapCut